So you shouldn't have said it there.
I know, right? I'm trying to get it out of the picture, though.
Put it in your pocket.
Man, it's gonna be bulky. I ain't got no pockets. I'm gonna put it right here. I want to still photograph portrait quality.
Yeah, I don't know what y'all want to do. You didn't mean to go forward.
Move that cooler. Mario está afuera también, ¿verdad? Ok, yo quiero hablar con él. ¿Está bien? There it is right there. Get that. Oh, we got a little plastic on it. Yeah. So, are you using this at all? Pole.
He uses that to anchor the boat.
You know? Magic in Mexico.
So a band is basically a piece of metal that the state and federal wildlife agencies put on a bird anytime they capture it or trap it. That kind of gives you a history of the bird. So they do trappings kind of in the fall sometimes when birds come to different areas for the winter, but they also trap birds in some of the federal wildlife refuges. In the summertime, birds go through a molt where they lose their flight feathers. So they're a lot easier to trap, and so when they trap a bird, they record the species, they record the location, and they record the age that the bird may be. They record the species, they record the age, they record the location, and so when you shoot a banded bird, you can go to a website and basically put in the numbers that are on that bird, and you'll get back a history of that bird. So that's kind of the cool thing about bands. It doesn't necessarily mean that you're a better hunter or anything like that. It just means you got a bird with history, which is kind of cool. Through banding studies, they found out that birds like ducks might live, ducks and geese may live, 20 plus years. No one really knew that before you started getting banding data that kind of supported that information. Hello, I'm Chancellor Archie at a Power Circle. Day 2 of our Magic in Mexico hunt finds us back in the Laguna Madre chasing redheads. A recap from day 1, it was just fantastic. That's all I can say. Day 2, we did a morning setup. We had some very, very large flights of birds fly over us, well into the thousands. A few were willing to work. We dropped a couple, and then it just kind of went slow. Became a bluebird day. Very nice to experience the warmth of the sun, the Mexican sun, tropical sun, but no birds flying. We decided to move and go set up on another spot. If you've never hunted the Laguna Madre, one thing that I would say characterizes this place, it's shallow. There ain't a lot of deep water. And where these birds are, you're gonna basically beach a boat, get out, drag it, pull it, walk through something in order to reach these birds. We did that. We found this little island, probably 20 feet wide. That's it. Barely enough for 3 people, a guide, and a cameraman. And we had I must say, a wonderful hunt.
Get it. Oh, I ain't see them. Look at the feathers. I was looking at, I saw some birds over here.
We had lots of birds. The birds were working, and we had a pretty good hunt. Ken there? Get ready, Ken. Get ready, Ken. Get ready, get Drake. Bust his ass. There you go. I get it. Come around.
Get it. All right. A couple started down, front down. I ain't loaded.
That's Ty's damn bird, still alive over here.
And just his soul regretting.
Let's put the drakes on the bottom, put the hens on top.
Say what? Drakes on the bottom?
Yeah, put the drakes on the bottom. Put the hens on top. But I mean, let's lay the drakes out and then. Yes, sir. We hunted till about dark, and then we basically had to get out. And on the way back, we kind of got caught in a fog bank. It added to the adventure. If you've never been on the water in the dark and have fog come in, it just adds a level of excitement that you haven't experienced yet. But it was great.
Hi, mi nombre es René Lerma. Soy socio de este club de Loma Colorada en San Fernando, Tamaulipas, México. We got this great place starting 35 years ago. We about 40 miles south from Harlingen, McAllen, or Brownsville, Texas, to the border. And we very 5 to 10 minutes to San Fernando. We got it at Laguna Madre, about 20 miles away. So we're in the middle of the nice areas to hunt. And also, we got a nice, great place. We got pretty much everything for you guys. restaurant. We got several rooms, swimming pool. We got a nice area in the back. In the night, we can have a good time. Basically, we thinking about build something traditional for you guys enjoy when you guys come down here with us.
A whole box to get them. What I got? No shells. Yeah, I got it. Hit him first.
Today we are down in the state of Tamaulipas at a dove hunt. I'm gonna call this Argentinian style dove hunt. I have the Alejandro here with us, picking up our birds and taking care of the bullets for us. And it's been an interesting morning. So far I have about 5 birds and I've gone through about 3 boxes of shells, so do the math. That's not good shooting. There are doves all over the place, just flying. It's real easy to get excited in this kind of hunt and just shoot for sake of shooting, but if you pick your shots and take the reasonable shots, you can bring your bullet per bird average up.
Alright, here we go.
They did.
Ooh, yes sir. Feel good. Feel good, bro. Hey! I'm starting to feel it. Starting to feel it. Man, put this in the back. Okay. Thank you, sir. I'm starting to get in that groove now. Might be full here. Dropping shells all over the ground.
¿Quiere agua? ¿Spray? ¿Coca?
Oh, no, ¿qué fue? Espera, pues vamos a ir juntos. Para ver la última, mira. Yo estaba aquí, ¿verdad? Pasen para acá. No, yo estoy mirándolo. Yo también miré. Mira. Más para adentro. ¿Dónde estaba usted cuando yo le dije que está cerca? Míralo. ¿Qué es eso? ¿Ese pluma, no? pluma. Estaba para acá, yo creo. Ese área. Camina un circular. Así. Oh, yo sí.
Está raro. Probablemente solo le caminó.
Okay. So, I'm looking for a lost bird, but no, I guess not. Oh.
Probablemente solo le caminó.
Very fast flying doves here in Mexico. Fastest dove I've ever seen. But that's all right. Power Circle Outdoors is on the job. Y'all guys stay tuned.
In San Fernando, la ciudad de San Fernando. I shot 50% on doves today in fog. And what was unusual is that the fog was so thick and reflecting off the sun, I took my glasses off and I did just as well. Was able to shoot 50%, 2 boxes of shells, 24. My friend and guide, we did an excellent job. Say hello to the camera.
Hello, my name is Mauricio.